Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Blockchain startups build value through network effects. The architecture of the blockchain creates several layers with which to foster a network. Here are some key incentives to create a network for your blockchain startup. Utility. The system delivers a service such as funds exchange or data storage. Cash. The system provides tokens with which can be exchanged for fiat currency. Equity. The system provides ownership stakes to those in the network. Reputation. The system provides reputation advantages to those in the network. Access. Those in the network have access to resources such as investors for fundraising. Branding. The system provides a brand to those in the network such as a community that fosters a common goal. NFTs. The system provides non-fungible tokens that represent something of value within the community, such as a piece of art from a specific artist. Tokens. The system provides tokens to those in the network that brings benefits to the holders, such as access to resources. Incentives attract additional users, which in turn increases the value of the network. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.